Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a gratis haul to share with you, and if it seems like it hasn't been that long since you saw one, it really hasn't been that long. But the other one I filmed and then I didn't put up for like 2 or 3 weeks. Also, if I look really shiny, I don't know what it is. I'm using a Pericone moisturizer that just makes me look really shiny, but it's not oily. It's just like my skin looks and feels super smooth to the point where it's like shiny. I have no makeup on because I am literally just chilling at my house. I am not doing anything worthwhile. I'm just hanging out, and that's okay. So I didn't put any makeup on. I love to let my skin breathe and just kind of get some fresh air, and I feel like it helps it stay clear too if I take some time off for makeup. I do have on my bat headband that I got at Target. So if you want to pick it up, it was $1. I think I got this October 1st to give you a timeline. And the other one I actually literally got at the beginning of September, but you guys just saw it maybe a week or 2 ago. So I'm going to jump in and just show you what I got really quick. And while I'm getting some things out, if you don't know what gratis is, it's basically free product that you get to learn about them, to form your own opinions. So it's not just like, here's a bunch of stuff just because. It is for training purposes. So that's why we get it if you're curious. And I work at Sephora, so that's why my gratis is from Sephora. The first thing is these Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peels. I got a couple of those. That's what they look like. These are really nice. You basically massage your face with 1 and then 2. So you do the 1 all over and then you do the 2 all over, and you actually leave this on. You don't rinse it, and it is a really good deep exfoliation. The Extra Strength has 7 different acids in it. So it's got salicylic, I think it has glycolic, mandelic, maybe lactic. There's 7 acids in it, so it's a strong one, but it's so good. Next, I got this Indie Lee. It's a brightening cleanser. I've only tried the toner from Indie Lee, but I did like it. I got the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus, and this is in the shade Light. This one is a little bit dark for me. I typically mix fair with maybe just a little bit of light to get the perfect color for me. So this will definitely be a mixer. I won't be able to wear it alone unless I am like using some fake tan. I got the Dior Joy Foundation. This is really exciting. This is the 3-ounce bottle. And I smelled this in store. I have to admit, a lot of Dior fragrances really aren't me. This one has that like very mature kind of powdery scent to it. I don't know how to describe it. I don't really think it smells like bad. It's just a little bit different for me, whereas I like really sweet fragrances. That one's a little bit more like powdery floral. I got 2 samples from the Maison Martin Margiela.
And, oh, it's called Maison Margiela now? Huh? Did they lose somebody, bruh?
I got 2 samples of Replica. I got By the Fireplace, which is my absolute favorite fragrance they've ever made and one of my all-time favorite fragrances, period. And then I got a sample of Lazy Sunday Morning. I got a little light from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's a Spotlight Acne Treatment. Does it have battery? Oh, it needs a battery. I was gonna like show it to you guys, but I can't. But anyway, it's like a little light treatment that you hold on when you have a breakout. For me, this is really nice because I don't get breakouts all the time, but when I do, I don't like to put a lot of drying ingredients on my skin because I am a little bit dry. So apparently you just use this before your skincare. So I'm excited to try it out when I have a breakout. I got the Lancome Long Time No Shine Translucent Powder. Super excited about that. And not only did we get that, we also got the Fix It and Forget It spray. This is their new makeup setting mist. I've tried it in store and I really like it. What a combo. I got from Clinique the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. This is super light to me, honestly. I don't know when I'll be able to use this on my face and get enough hydration. This might be good for maybe like the décolleté. I don't know. I'm a little bit more on the dry side. I am tempted to just try it and see. But if you are extremely oily, and by extremely oily, I mean you're oily and you've tried moisturizer, because a lot of people think they're oily, but they've never moisturized their skin to really know how it reacts. But if you're super oily, no matter what you do, this might be a good option. I got the Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer. I'm really excited to have this. Definitely love a hydrating primer. I'm like a primer junkie, I swear. I have so many primers and I love them. Can't get enough. I got from First Aid Beauty a little bag with some goodies in it. This is the Cleansing Body Polish, Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, and Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I got the Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup, and I got the shade 0.5. This is the shade I have right now. I actually got my own in 1.5 recently, and I feel like I have a good range now because 1.5 was kind of matching me a month ago. I got from Laura Mercier the Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Glow and the brush to go along with it. Now, if you guys remember, I did get this from Influencer and I really love it. I don't know that I need another brush, but I would hate to put just the brush in a giveaway. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that or not, just let me know. But I love the powder. I have been using so much of it. I got the Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chantilly. So excited. I just got one of these and got another one, so I'm so stoked. I got from Urban Decay the 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Lucky. That's what it looks like there. I'll swatch it really quick. Ooh, she broke off. She's a little worse for wear in there. I'm gonna spread that out with that little bit that broke off so you can really see it, because it's this deep copper brown, but it's got flecks of silver. I have no idea if you're gonna be able to see that or not, but it's really pretty. Some eyeliners have like such a beautiful fleck in them, but unless you're doing a really thick line, it's hard to see it a lot of the time. So I feel like some of the more unique liners, as gorgeous as they are, it's like, what's the point? Because you don't get that big of a payoff, but it is really pretty. I got from Perricone the Eyelid Lift Serum. This is the Essential FX Acetyl Glutathione Eyelid Lift Serum. I got the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. I'm really excited. I got the shade Swan, and now I'm a little nervous that it might not be the right shade because there was actually a lighter shade, and I feel like that could have been it for me. So as that one looks light, it's still a little bit more on the yellow side. I'm definitely gonna try it out, and I will likely get the lighter shade as well, just to have on hand, because as a frame of reference, I really like the Chantilly color. So they're not that far off, but you can see how the Chantilly is not so yellow. That's kind of what I like. I also got from Jouer the Lip Topper in Frostbite. Really excited about this. Ooh, she's so pretty. So I swatched it on the end here next to those concealers. Hopefully you can see it somewhat. I got from Lancome the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. If you don't know, this serum basically boosts the effectiveness of every other serum that you could pair it with, and it's definitely one that I really love. I also got the Lancome's Genifique Eye. This is the Youth Activating Eye Cream. I love more hydrating eye creams, and this one is pretty hydrating, so it's a-okay in my book. One more little thing from Lancome. This is so cute. It is a pen, and it's the Tantadol Ultra Foundation. I got the NARS Climax Mascara. I tried it in store as soon as it came out, but of course with the tester wand, it doesn't quite do it justice. So I'm really excited to try it with its own wand and see, but I really need to leave it closed and use up some of my other mascaras because it is a problem. And then finally, I have two things from Anastasia. I have the Highlighting Duo Pencil. This is in Matte Camille Sand Shimmer. So it's the double-ended pencil. One is more matte, one is more shimmer, to kind of carve out the brow and then highlight the brow bone. And then I also got the gloss. This is the Venus Lip Gloss from Anastasia. It's right there on my finger. So that is everything that I got in my gratis. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, just seeing some goodies that I got. If you want to see anything used in a video, then just drop that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the bell to turn on those notifications. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.